An at-home treadmill offers a convenient way to integrate physical activity into your daily life, whether it's for high-intensity running, casual jogging, or just adding extra steps to your day. The American Heart Association recommends at least 150 minutes of moderate aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous aerobic exercise per week. If you can do some of that in the comfort of your living room, you're several thousand steps closer to your weekly goals. Plus, at-home treadmills are ideal for people who live in places with unpredictable weather or who struggle to feel confident in the gym. There are numerous options for cheap treadmill, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable treadmill from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Echelon Stride Autofold Treadmill. We found the Echelon Stride Autofold connected treadmill the best overall for its ease of setup, user-friendliness, and smart design. The integration with the Echelon app and compatibility with Apple Health and Apple Watch enhanced our fitness tracking experience. The treadmill's modern console design was clear and easy to navigate, displaying essential metrics like speed, distance, and burned calories. Adjusting incline and speed was straightforward, thanks to the intuitive touchscreen and conveniently placed buttons. The automatic folding feature of the treadmill was a standout, although its significant weight made mobility and storage a point to consider. The thoughtful additions like deep cup holders, a versatile phone holder, and a safety key added to the overall experience. In terms of value, it offered a luxurious feel and high-quality performance at a reasonable cost. The only minor issue was the loud noise from the console during adjustments. Its compact size, quiet operation, and thoughtful features make it an excellent choice for apartment dwellers and fitness enthusiasts. Number 2. Horizon Fitness 7.0 at Treadmill. The overall usability of the 7.0 at Studio Treadmill truly sets it apart. Getting started is as simple as scrolling to select your user number or workout choice. Once you're in, incline and speed adjustments happen instantly, and the console tracks all the mph, calories, heart rate, and distance traveled markers you'd expect on a state-of-the-art machine. Folding away is simple, you just lift the belt piece, and unfolding is a breeze with an easy-to-use pedal. We loved that the Bluetooth connectivity allowed us to connect with familiar training apps like Zwift, Daily Burn, or Peloton. So we could easily transition to this new treadmill without necessarily uploading, or learning to navigate, a pile of new tech. Number 3. XTERRA Fitness TRX Performance Series Folding Treadmill. Though you may want to consider more advanced models if you have hardcore endurance goals, we found the XTERRA Fitness Sports Series Folding Treadmill perfect for supplementing our existing routines with extra walking during the week. Don't let the complicated setup and substandard assembly tools get you off on the wrong foot. Once we got through the physical assembly and connected in-app, establishing profiles and getting started on this treadmill was intuitive and trouble-free. Navigating from feature to feature, streaming via services like Netflix or Hulu, flicking between display modes, and even mirroring whatever you're looking at on your phone happens on the 10.1-inch touchscreen. We found it useful to adjust incline and speed settings on-screen pre-workout and via the handlebar buttons while we were mid-stride. Number 4. Bowflex BXT8J Treadmill. This treadmill by Bowflex impressed us with its quietness. When changing the incline setting for the first time, we almost thought it wasn't working because the adjustment was so silent. We also loved the convenience of the large control panel, which has space for a towel, a water bottle, and even a shelf for a book or magazine. This treadmill also has coached programs and a solid surface area, so you never feel crunched for space. Number 5. LifePro PacerMini Pro Treadmill. The LifePro Fitness PacerMini Pro Portable Treadmill is the best portable treadmill for its compactness and user-friendly features. Its maximum speed of 3 miles per hour is perfect for comfortable walking, and its ease of use and convenience make it ideal for anyone. The setup was remarkably easy, requiring just a simple plug-in. The instruction manual was clear, facilitating a quick start. The treadmill is controlled via a remote and a switch on the machine, operating quietly enough not to disturb work or other activities. Its compact design, with wheels, allows for easy storage under furniture, making it perfect for limited spaces. The treadmill's pad provided comfort without sacrificing firmness for running, and we experienced no discomfort or joint impact. A notable benefit is its portability, allowing easy movement between rooms, which is advantageous for parents needing to stay close to their children. For those with space constraints or needing a regularly used, portable treadmill, we think the LifePro Fitness PacerMini Pro Portable Treadmill is an excellent choice. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.